Using FooSales, you can sell products that use custom units of measurement and decimal quantities. This is ideal for products that are sold by weight, size, or length. In order to use this functionality, log into your FooSales store and navigate to the FooSales settings screen. Go to the Products tab and check the Use Decimal Quantities checkbox before saving the settings. Enabling the settings will add a number of new options under the WooCommerce inventory settings. To view these settings, navigate to the WooCommerce settings, open the Product tab, and select the Inventory sub-menu option. Here you can set the values that will be applied to all products across your site. These settings should only be modified if all products on your site are to use the same minimum quantity, step value, and units of measurement settings. If you offer a variety of products on your site, you can then simply leave these options as is and rather modify the options on an individual product level. To do so, open a product and navigate to the Inventory Products tab. Here you can specify the minimum amount of stock that can be added to the cart for this product. Next, you can set the default step value. This is the interval that the stock will increase when increasing the stock amount. You can then also specify a custom cart quantity unit such as feet, pounds, or inches. In this example, the product is a liquid upholstery cleaner that is sold in liters in increments of 500 milliliters. Once you have saved the product settings, these options will be visible on the front end of your website and within the FooSales Point of Sale apps. In the FooSales app, when you tap on a product in the product list or scan a barcode of a product that uses this functionality, the minimum cart quantity of the product will automatically be added to the FooSales cart. Once the product is in the cart, the product will increment by the amount that was specified in the product's cart quantity step value. You can also click directly on the cart quantity number to manually input the product's cart quantity. If the cart quantity falls below the value specified for the product's minimum quantity, it will be removed from the cart. If you have completed an order containing products that use decimal quantities, you can refund and restock those products in the same way as described in our help documentation on processing order refunds, albeit with the decimal quantity amounts to refund and restock. For more information on how to use FooSales, please visit our help center at help.foosales.com.